Y'all remember this Publix Deli hack I put y'all on to? Guess what? We got another one. All right, y'all, I'm back with another Publix Deli hack. They got this honey hot chicken tender wrap. Man, this one absolutely crazy. And y'all was right. This is actually $7. So I saw this on TikTok and I had to try it. So I'm going to list all the ingredients I put on mine. And honestly, when it comes to wraps, Publix is starting to be my go-to. So if y'all don't learn anything about Atlanta, y'all need to know that honey hot is the go-to flavor for wings. So this is a very big thing. So she got the chicken tenders tossed in the honey hot sauce. And again, I listed the ingredients I use. Me personally, I did not like the garlic pickles. They kind of gave like a weird taste to it. So if you try it, I would go without the garlic pickles, but it's up to you. And of course, I went in with some salt, pepper, oregano, and some oil as well. I decided to go without the vinegar because I feel like it would be too acidic. Finish it off with some ranch, some of that hot honey sauce, and some bacon, of course. And when she started wrapping this is when I knew this was about to go crazy. And I wouldn't be Chef D if I didn't leave y'all with a drink hack. So grab the peach tea and this limited edition strawberry pineapple lemonade. Mix that together, you got a crazy Arnold Palmer. And it's always 60% lemonade, 40% tea. So let's get to the sub wrap, whatever you want to call it. Y'all just look at this. Y'all just look how beautiful this looks. And no cap, I'll probably give this like a 9.5 out of 10. This went crazy. If I took the garlic pickles off, that'd probably be a 10. Finish that off with some chips and that strawberry pineapple peach Arnold Palmer. And one thing about it, two things for sure, Chef D the real GOAT. Make sure you follow for more. No cap.